Welcome to my channel today. If this is your first time, you're welcome. If you're a repeating visitor, you are also welcome. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss startup business ideas. Startup business ideas. Are you filled with ideas, or are you filled, you have the entrepreneurship spirit in you boiling, thinking of how to explode, and you lack the direct step to take? If that is the case, relax, grab your pen and paper as we move towards turning that idea into reality, finding the real idea for yourself and turning it into big business idea. You are welcome. As the custom demands for my videos, I start with telling you the errors that kept me behind for a very long time as an entrepreneur. First, I refused paying diligent attention to the available information for me. I mean diligent, that's the key word there. What do I mean? I jumped from one book to another, one video to another, searching for a magic wand to grow my business. No. Meanwhile, the information I needed were placed in those videos, but I refused to pay attention. So please pay attention to this video. Follow each second to each second till the end of it. Maximum, it won't be more than 10, 15, at most 20 minutes. That will better the rest of your business career. That is the error we do. Even if it means taking 360 days to better the rest of life you have to live, you do it. Diligently follow it. Then secondly, get a mentor. Get a mentor, a practicing mentor. I'm not talking of business coach. I mean someone who is in that area of field that you will finally find yourself doing. Mentors are very expensive, but I have a solution for you. This book, make sure you get this book. You can see this book, The Power of Focus. Page 139 discuss how to get, you will learn how to get a mentor free of charge. No matter the mentor, no matter who the person is, you can access the person free of charge. Make sure you look for a mentor. Now, having said that, let us go into startup business ideas proper. There are two ways to identify a startup ideas. One, your passion, your creativity, your talent. What is it that you know how to do seamlessly, effortlessly? Now, let me tell you, no matter what it is, the market is there for you. The market is there for you to make money with it. All you need is to understand how to package that passion, idea, or talent for monetization. Then the second way is getting what we call tapping into the market gap. This is existing market. There is existing market for it. This thing is selling, but there are gaps. There are always room for improvement in any business. Now, if you take your time to understand, to study the market, to study those people in the area, now know what people complain about, you can fill in that gap. This is the two ways to develop business ideas that has never failed. Now, we are talking of startup ideas. We will take it step by step or section by section. I will talk of the first one is tech and trends. Startup business ideas. You can stand today on tech or the tech and trends. Subscription business model is one of them. E-commerce with a twist is one of them. On-demand services such as home cleaning, pet walking, one of them. These things are tech-oriented trends that you can tap in today as a startup who is looking for what to do. These are tech business trends you can tap into today. The second startup business ideas I will lay to you is location independent businesses. Location independent businesses. These are businesses now. They are startup businesses you can do from any part of the world, as long as you have the internet connection, you have the laptop, and you are ready to learn. What kind of business am I talking of? Freelancing is one of them. Freelancing is offering services remotely. It is booming. So if you are confused, think freelancing. You will definitely have a way out. Online coaching and consulting businesses. These are businesses you can do no matter where you are, as long as you have the internet connection. Ebooks. Now, what is it that you know? What story do you have? What problem have you faced and triumph over it? People right now want to learn. People right now want to, let me give instance. Jeff Bezos just became who he is today by selling books. What is those books? What people want to learn. People wrote and people want to learn from what people have written. Book publishing, book writing and publishing. And you can do this from every part of the world or any part of the world, as long as you have the internet connection and your laptop. Then the next startup ideas is on capitalizing on the growing trends. Every government, the world is talking of eco-friendly environment. Governments are ready. Organizations are ready to support any business that is eco-friendly. Let me give you an instance. We have recycling water bottle. You can go into recycling water bottle. We have the solar industry. You can go into the solar industry. Pet care services. The mental health challenge is getting high. People want to know how to calm the mental situation. Tricks to settle stress in the body. The mental stress. You can go into creating an app or platform that teach people or that reveals to people how to solve these mental issues. It is capitalizing on ongoing trend. This is, in fact, there is money in this section. Eco-friendly, look at eco-friendly businesses you can go into. Then the mental health, due to the situation, the high growing of demand for sustenance, people are getting stressed out, burnout, depressions. So if you can study, if you can develop ideas, if you can work towards a solution, you will be there. Now, after all these ideas I've given you, that's going from your passion to market, filling market gap, or the trend, capitalizing on the trend, on tech trend, or location independent business. Every of these are profitable. But let me tell you something. You must personally validate your idea. You validate it two ways. Are there customers? Are they ready to pay? How do I get them? You validate. You make research to know, are there successful people in this area that I want to go? After validating your idea, you validate yourself. Am I willing to pay the price? Do I see one of these businesses? One is, some are more demanding than others, more tasking than others. Now you ask yourself, in the course of validating, in all this, which one can I fit in? After validating your idea, then the next thing you do is you associate with yourself with the network of startups. You can find them in Facebook groups, online forums, business platforms. Some e-commerce platforms like Shopify has an area where you go and learn startups. So you validate these things, then associate yourself with the team. Associate yourself with the team that will definitely help you build the idea you've developed. Then the next step is there are resources. You cannot, no particular book or information or video will tell you all. That means you need to go for resources. At the description of this video, I have a link to a free detailed resources on how to develop that idea to a full-blown business. It's free. You don't need to pay anything. All you need is to pay with your time, study, diligently follow the steps, and you will see your startup ideas going into big reality. Remember, you own the vision, you own the mission, you have the right to get to where you are. The first problem or the first thing to do to conquer everything is to take the action. Get a pen and paper, start working on this. I'm telling you, in these startup ideas, 1, 2, or 3 must work for you. Please, if you're enjoying this video or if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, comment, share, click on the notification button for other videos that will be coming along your way. Please subscribe my video, subscribe to this channel, please, so that we will grow together in the business world. Thank you for watching once more.